I didn't know it was a Subaru. Because the STI has pink badges.
Yeah.
Yeah, so almost. But I guess it's your company color, more or less. Yeah. So we have DC5, one of my favorite chassis. But then again, I like every Honda, so it's like unfair to say. But one of the more unique ones, because we do not drive it often enough. This, unlike European version, definitely came with a K20, right?
Yeah.
Did they make them with K24? No.
K28.
So here we have a K24. Yeah, extra torque, like we love it, like we want it. But even extra torque, yeah, not just torque. Yeah, very nice. Nice fuel rail and a nice head. Is it just K24 or is it Frank?
K24, full K24,
yeah, cams,
oil pump, stuff like that.
Nice. Hard mounts, all kinds of bits and bobs. Does it have LSD? Yeah, that's something that you could feel definitely, and some other things. So suspension, we are on yellow speed, right? Yellow speed shocks. Power wise, you said 245?
254.
254, other way around. If you say it in German, it sounds like 255, 245. Right, all the jokes aside, power-wise, great, all is good. Intake, very emotional when VTEC kicks in. Does it have a straight pipe?
No.
But it does shoot flames, I heard.
It's got 2 boxes in it.
Okay, all right.
Full 3-inch.
Yeah, and we didn't get banned, so it's like within the regulation, so who cares? Lots and lots of camber on the front. This looks like, what, towards 4 degrees or something?
5 on there.
5. Spicy. Very good. We have K-Sport brake calipers with what pads? Endless. Yeah, very good, exceptionally good. Interior, modest, stockish, way it works. What else do you need? Maybe more buckety seats. Forgot to mention we are on the red tires, and when we look at the back, they're actually melting away because there's a lots of slipping happening consistently. So the back end is very loose, and especially in the corners. So that's a bit of a alignment issue in my opinion. And you will see how it drives unless you're already watching, but if you're watching then you're not watching this. So yeah, overall I liked it. Very fun, very nice, but change the alignment because you're gonna kill yourself. Yeah, alright, thank you so much for the lap. And you guys enjoy the and if you find out who the hell was driving this French baguette of a transporter or a Volkswagen Charoudin, I don't know. I want to meet that guy and shake his hand. Or maybe stay away from him, I don't know. Quick shameless plug before the onboard. We're doing autumn sale on my website nürburgring.com that has Nürburgring licensed products that I have helped to co-develop or design, such as Nürburgring guides, posters, socks, you name it. Use code Misha15 and get 15% discount on all the products that are not discounted already until the end of October. And now, let's go for a lap. Alright, welcome aboard on this Teggy DC5. Behind me is my dear friend Herr Scheer, whose car I will be driving next. Let's see how this baby performs. I'm excited. I have the best driver excuse for you. I need to pee very badly for the last 2 laps, but I forgot because adrenaline keeps me going. So let's hope it's not gonna affect me. Like an Integra, the back end feels very dancey, so you need to really watch out for this. Oversteer with a front-wheel driven car, VTEC kicks in, let's go. Woo. Are a bit soft. Back end is not only moving a lot, it's also dancing a lot. Woo! Woohoo! Oversteer!
Christian has some nice footage from the outside. Oh man. Woo. Speedometer is in miles, by the way. Suspension is way too soft. I hope Nathan was filming there from Stateside Supercars. That was a nice front-wheel driven drift. He's fast! What the hell is in that baguette? Brother! Who are you? Qui est ton papa? Mon Dieu! There's too much oversteer happening. Need to take it easy through certain sections. Come on. Interesting that the front end is sometimes gripping in on the last moment, so it's too nervous also on the front. But it's fun. Bouncy. The car doesn't want to go straight. You can see it's always, the central point is almost non-existent. Greatest of handlings. raining. Come on, how do I switch this off? I'm sweating. Okay, he gave me thumbs up, so at least someone liked my driving. This was handful. So I think if I'm gonna have to guess, well, need some air. I think the car on the rear has massive toe out. So with every input, and the more input you give, the rear is quantifying like exponentially the whole input. So if you turn in, it starts turning, then it goes massive in the oversteer. The back end is really something else. Now the stock DC5s already have that issue, but it's so much less that it's actually good. You can use it to do some rotation and stuff. We are now on Dunlop Durezza tires, probably the best tire you can get below a full slick. It's really, really like grippy and sticky. But because suspension was like not working at all, it was just like jumping and bumping, and the geometry was so off. It was just like dancing on knives while being covered in salt. So extra painful if you cut yourself. I still want to know what the hell? Like, qu'est-ce que c'est? The van. That was insane. So yeah, on that note, emotion grade K24, we love those. Brakes were also more than enough in combination with tires. Suspension, one of the most challenging, I wouldn't say undrivable, because as long as you keep the car straight, you just need to be aware that the input is not a bit, like just it magnifies every input of rotation. So it's, yeah, tricky. So whatever happened, I would love to know the settings, but no, I mean, you've seen it yourself. And it might look cool on camera. If you're tuning in for the first time, you just start liking cars, and you see like an average YouTuber on the street like, oh my god, this is the best thing ever, bang 2 gears and no. And you look at professional driver, the one driver or whoever, you want to be as calm as possible and just navigate the car and be calm, because when something happens, you just react to it, and not under constant tension, being afraid that something is gonna go wrong. Oh, hello. So that's all there is to it. Great car, emotion, power, brakes, tires. Horrible alignment. Not for the ring. Maybe on a GP track would be fun, maybe, because then you can like really do some silly stuff, but not on the ring, when like every small mistake can cost you your life. Is this? No. Is this? Yes, that's the rear. So yeah, having said that, thanks for watching, thanks for the lap, and now I go drive my friend's car, who hopefully has some nice footage of us driving in front of him. LFG.